Welcome to Image 3D Conversion, where we are revolutionizing the All-on-X workflow. Our All-on-X workflow is designed to provide a seamless and efficient process for full arch restorations. It all starts with a comprehensive evaluation, including a detailed CT scan of the patient's jaw. Using advanced 3D implant planning software, our team meticulously plans the implant positions and angles. Next, our custom-made surgical guides ensure precise implant placement, reducing surgery time and improving accuracy. With our streamlined workflow, patients experience faster recovery times and exceptional aesthetic results. At Image 3D Conversion, we are dedicated to providing the highest level of care and precision in All-on-X restorations. Experience the future of full arch restorations with Image 3D Conversion.